Okay, let me show you how to make this fun fruit tray for any party idea that you might have. You can modify it anyway. We're doing a Hawaiian luau today. So enjoy. Happy birthday, Alana. And here's the birthday girl, look at her. Is she not darling? Happy birthday,
Thank
Alana.
you.
Here we go, we're gonna get it all together now and make something special for the birthday girl because she wanted that Hawaiian luau kind of a feel. So we have the animals. We've got our palm tree here that's made with 2 pineapples. We have tropical birds, and then we're adding fruit and all. Here we have our serving pieces that are little shovels from the sand pails. I had to take those off and use those. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fix it all up really cute. She wanted a papaya, there it is. It's all scored so people can kind of just pull that out. She wanted the colors of a lot of these different things. We made a sea turtle here out of a kiwi. So there's our little turtle there. So just some fun elements to do. So we're gonna put it all together. We have 2 different kinds of dips. This is really to go over their fruit collection, and we'll just start adding all this fruit. Brooks, of course, has lots of yummy things. They're all cut up already. The beautiful colors. Scatter things all around. These are navel oranges, and they are some of the best oranges I have ever eaten. Those great things. So we have 4 plates that we have added under here to give a little color. We had to have something pretty stable for our pineapple tree, our palm tree to sit on. So that's why that is like that. We're gonna keep going with all our fruits and things so we can just scoop those up with a shovel. We'll mix them all up. I worked extra hard, so I got all the heart of the watermelon set. And then we've got the fruit dip that came from Brooks. And then this is another little dip that I make that you just spoon, you get your fruit and then you spoon this on top. And it is a mixture of pineapple juice, sugar with some cornstarch to kind of give that little thickened gel, cool that off, whip up real whipping cream. Get that all put together. Then be sure that that gel of the pineapple juice is all cool and all ready. Stir that all in together and you have a wonderful dip. Blueberries and blackberries kind of give things just a little bit of pop. All you gotta do is just throw those home. So we have lots of different looks and lots of different things all going. Brooks fruit dip. Mm, yum. So, what do you think about that for a fun party idea? Whether it's a kid's birthday party or a young lady 18 for her Hawaiian dream. So, thank y'all. Have fun. Send me your creative things. It's always fun to share.